Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now, remove the cap, straw, and any rubber gasket. Set them aside. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda into the bottle, then pour in about 250-300 ml of hot water to dissolve it. Swirl vigorously and let it fizz for 2 to 3 minutes to lift odors and biofilm. Immediately use a long bottle brush to scrub the interior while the solution is active. Focus on the bottom and seams because trapped residues cause lingering smells. Once done with baking soda, dump that solution and rinse lightly. Pour a 1 white vinegar and warm water mix into the bottle and let it soak for 15-30 minutes. Vinegar neutralizes alkaline odors and kills bacteria. For stubborn residue, add a handful of uncooked rice or coarse salt and swirl vigorously to abrade hidden grime, then scrub again with the brush. Make sure you disassemble caps and soak them too, because trapped moisture there often keeps smells alive. After rinsing thoroughly, drain and set the bottle upside down on a rack with the lid off to air dry completely. Moisture breeds odor, so make sure it's fully dry, ideally 12-24 hours. If a faint scent lingers, place a lemon slice or 1 teaspoon baking soda inside overnight to absorb odors. Troubleshooting tip: if the smell won't go away despite repeats, inspect the gasket and cap seals, replace them if porous, and check for permanent staining or dents that trap.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.